How to delete your Chat GPT account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can delete your Chat GPT account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process for it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any new uploads from our channel. Now let's get into it. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on a PC, and there on the URL, you have to search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. And then get logged into your ChatGPT account. Once you get logged into your ChatGPT account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, in order to delete your ChatGPT account, you have to head over to the three dots next to your email address, and there an expanded menu will be appear on your screen. Now, from there, you have to tap on the second option, Settings, and then a settings box will appear on your screen. Now from there, you have to tap on data controls option, and then you will be able to see the second option, delete account. Now you have to tap on delete button next to your delete account option, and there a new box will appear on your screen, and there you will see some warnings which says deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. For security reasons, you cannot reuse the same email or phone number for a new account. All your data, including profile, conversations, and API usage, will be removed. And lastly, if you've been using ChatGPT with the API, this access will also be deleted. Now, if you still want to delete your ChatGPT account, then you have to type your account email here, and then you have to type delete word in this field, and then permanently delete my account button will pop up on your screen. Now you have to simply tap on permanently delete my account button, and then your account will be successfully deleted and you will be taken to the ChatGPT home screen. Now that's all it takes to delete your ChatGPT account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for today, and I will see you in my next video.